welcome to another Cricut tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a butterfly card that has butterfly cutouts. So you'll want to have a butterfly vector or butterfly clip art. A good place to go is freepix.com, search butterfly, and you'll come up with this. I'm going to grab these silhouettes. You're going to select them and hit free download, and then your download will start. Oh, there it goes. All right, so now we're going to go to Cricut Design Space. Going to hit upload. You're going to select browse. Okay, so we're going to grab the silhouettes here. Now we have to make some choices on which ones we're going to use. I think I want to use this one. So I'm going to select simple because it's a fairly simple thing here and hit continue. Now since I'm only wanting the one butterfly, which is this one, I'm going to select crop and then grab it and crop everything else out. I'm going to crop a little bit closer and just get as close as I can to the image. It just makes it easier. Go back to the select and erase out the parts you don't want. Hit continue and then save. We're going to select it and hit insert image. Alright, now we need to do our paper. So what I suggest to do, the easiest way that I found, is to hit shapes and hit square. We're going to do the size of our card, whatever size we want. Move it over, hit unlock, unless you want a square card. I don't. So we're going to make it the size that we want, which I would like a 4x6 card, I think. So we're going to do 4 and 6. Then we're going to duplicate that and touch them together. I'm going to move them away from the butterfly there. Okay. So you're going to select both of them. We're going to hit align, and then align bottom. Alright, so we've got the align bottom done. So now they're going to be nice and aligned for us. So this will be one half of the card, this will be one half of the card. But the way this is set up now, the Cricut's going to cut out this rectangle and the Cricut's going to cut out this rectangle. So we're going to select the first one and select the second one, or just do that. And we're going to hit duplicate. And then we're going to hit weld. And what that does is it makes one big card. See? So now it's one sheet of paper. So let's change this color here. And we're going to select it and hit arrange, move to back. I'm going to select one of these and move them out of the way. Now, we're going to use this as a guide for our score line. So we're going to do shapes, score line. Okay, so whenever you hit the score line, it's going to move it to a random spot. It's not going to put it where you want it. So you're just going to drag it and drag it down. I'm actually going to change the color of this square. That way it makes it a little easier to see that score line. Let's change it to this light yellow. Okay. So now we have our score line here. It's going all the way down, and we're just gonna arrange it like so. Okay. So move the rectangle off, and now you can see our score line. Here, let's see if we can change the color so you can see it a little bit better. Yep, on the white you can see it really good. So now we have our score line. So this is our card, and our one sheet of paper, this is where it'll fold in half. So now we're good to go. So let's just hide these two squares. Let's grab the score line and the big rectangle, and we're going to hit attach so they are together. So anywhere we move it, that's going to move. Okay. So now we're going to select our butterfly, and we're going to try to decide what size we want it to be. So currently this is in the front. So we're just going to hit arrange, move to back. Okay, so now our butterfly's in front so we can see it. Look at that. So we're just going to actually duplicate several of these all the way down. We're going to select them all and hit align, align left. Didn't those all select? Align left. And we're going to drag them down, space them out. But we want to make sure that they touch. All right, so we're going to select them all. That one's not touching. Move it down slightly. All right. So we're going to do align left. So that's going to make them all align left. Now, I'm going to make these smaller so they fit. And we're going to, all right, so we've got that here. We've got our butterflies in place of where we want them. So now we got to do something else. We're going to select the white rectangle. We're going to select unlock. Now we're going to move this rectangle to where it barely touches the edge of the butterfly. We're not going to mess with the height of it or anything, just that. I'm going to turn these butterflies just slightly because I'd like a little bit better of an angle. Now that I see it lined up, we're going to select the butterflies and the rectangle, and we're going to hit weld. Now it's one piece and it's going to cut these butterflies out. Bring the score line to the top by selecting the line, arrange, bring to front. Then we're going to attach them all together so it's one piece so it'll move around. Now, once you're satisfied with that, you're going to hit make. And what it'll do is it's going to cut the card out. The score line is in the middle like it was before. So you're going to have an even card whenever you fold this. The tips of these wings, whenever you fold it, will touch the edge of this paper. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm not sure what you'd use this card for, but you might enjoy it. So thanks for watching. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. You can click to check out another video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the newest videos that come out. Please remember to comment below on what you'd like to see next. I want to hear from you because you guys help guide me on where to go.